All right, ladies and gentlemen, let's get straight into it. Yesterday, Red Day recap. I was live on the Facebook group, so you guys are watching this. It's probably um, around this time yesterday. I was live. You can go search for that. But for people watching on YouTube, I didn't upload the video to YouTube. I just wanted to make it a live recap on Facebook. So what I did was I lost $57. And what happened was I'm gonna go in on TradeStation. I'm gonna actually go over the simulator account so I can show you guys what happened. But I'm not actually, why would I wouldn't do that on my actual live trading. On this one, this was kind of like my mental error. Okay, so we're in the settlement. It was like a mental error for me. Like, this is another thing about trading. You have to come in 100% focused, and it has to just be a perfect storm every morning. And you can't let any distractions, any mishaps happen, because then this happens. All right, so you guys can see this window is not as highlighted right now because I clicked on it, and now it's unhighlighted because I clicked on my Thinkorswim charts. All right, so I click over here. I come over here, or first of all, I think it's unhighlighted. All right, and I have, I think, 500 shares. We'll put this over here. So I have 500 shares already is my quantity set. And I'm thinking it's not highlighted. So for you to highlight it, you have to click it 2 times. See, it's not highlighted right now. And then for me to buy, I pressed it once, but it doesn't buy, so I have to press it again, and that's when it sends the limit order. Okay, but instead, that's what happened on, I forgot what the stock was. I don't know. I forgot what the stock was, but the point is, I clicked it and it was already highlighted, so I ended up have my orders there, and it filled right away, and it was right at the high of day. Oh, it was DCIX. What the fuck? DCIX yesterday filled literally at the high of day at 208. Yeah, 208 high of day, and it just fell right back down. And it was just annoying. I was like, whatever, Okay, so, I mean, that happened, but I don't know, just sell it. Order filled. Anyways, it filled at the high of day, and then it drops instantly. I was like, and then I tried to sell like at 203, 204, but there was I just couldn't. There's no liquidation in that area, even though the ask and bid were in that area. I don't know why, I just couldn't sell. But that's what happened there. Today, PTI, I think it was. Yeah, PTI. All right. So I have 500 shares. Same situation. I'm down. I'm actually down like $90 on this name after commissions. So this is what happens. All right. At the pre-market, so this thing gaps up way big from yesterday's close. Okay, it's gapped up. I was like, all right, this looks good. This thing broke the VWAP pre-market right before the open. So all right, so we pull it back a little bit, and I'm gonna buy, right past this high, and then hopefully test for about 650 first, and then we'll do like a pre-market high of $6.95, $7, so on. And this thing just went all downhill. What happened was I wanted to buy at the break of the VWAP, or like 630, and I went to go click over here, so I clicked 630. Okay. But the price already beats, it's above 630, and it starts going towards like 635, 640. And obviously the high of this candle right here is 640. And as soon as it, like, I didn't get my entry, I went to go cancel it, and it literally wouldn't cancel. I sent like 3 or 4 cancel orders, and it just wouldn't cancel. All right, so I'll do this. I was clicking cancel. So see how it cancels instantly right now? So I cancel, boom, press it once. And what happened this morning is I tried to cancel it before, because the stock was coming back down. I saw this big wall at 640, so I wanted to get out. I was like, I don't want to be part of that. I want to wait till it breaks that level, and then get in. But instead, I went to go. Okay, sorry, but anyways, this doesn't matter. It's my simulated account, but I click it. So I click. Why is it doing that? I'm like way up here by a limit at 293, and it's filling me down here. Anyways, I'd click it and I'd cancel it, and it wouldn't cancel. I I don't know if it's just a trade station thing or if all brokers sometimes do this. It was just like a lag, I guess. And everything was working. It wasn't my internet because my scanners were working. My level 2 was working. Time and sales charts were working. Everything was good. And it just happened at literally the worst time. And it's really unfortunate because as soon as it pulled back, like I said, I would have got in right here at the break of 640, and then boom, here's a good scalp, good trade. This is a good trade, honestly. This little mini first pull, or not, it's not the first pullback, but first bull flag setup, and then you can add here or sell half, and it's just an easy trade. And this is what I'm talking about. Just unfortunate things are happening to me past 2 days, and it's all good. It is what it is. Thank you for sharing your experience. I haven't been trading only three months, or this is like my third month since January 1st consistently. Last year I was trading here on and back and forth, but not consistently. And my trading metrics, I can share my trading metrics with you guys. Okay, so I've made a total of $1,733. Okay, that's in all gains. My losses are $838. And I have profited about $900, $894. And I have 14 green days, okay, and 10 red days. And I have these 2 back-to-back red days that are just not really necessary. I mean, it is what it is, I'd rather lose now when it's, $60, $90, $100, rather than losing in the future when I'm have more shares of it, or more shares into a stock, and I'll lose out on $1,000. I don't want to do that. I'd rather make some mistakes now while I'm, still in the intermediate stages, and that's perfectly fine. Yeah, day trader. Just a long grind, man. To be honest with you, I mean, I love it, but it's just little mistakes that really annoy me. And today it was just one of them. PTI was a great trade. If I didn't lose $100, I was extremely pissed. You guys can ask Andre. I was really mad this morning. It's all, but like again, I just took a step back, went to go work out, and now I gotta learn from this. I gotta fix these little tweaks because all right, so this is about the fourth time that I've had like little mistakes from technical area, from like a broker standpoint, and honestly, I'd have like 7 red days. So I've traded 24 days of the year so far. 24 days out of how many trading days? Like 40 or something like that. But I traded like 24. My win loss ratio, like my green days to red days, my profit loss ratio is a 2.06 to 1. So every $2.06, I'm losing $1, and that's great. That's perfectly fine. You want to have that. My accuracy needs to get up higher though, and what we'll show you guys, I'll show you guys right here. What I want to do is get my accuracy up, and that, I mean, it was up. Honestly, I've only traded 24 days, so you take down these 2 back-to-back days that are just stupid mistakes by me and the broker. It's just we didn't work out well. That's only 8 red days, and then one of these days is counting my $3 loss. That's after commissions. I made money, but I lost money after commissions, if you guys know what I mean. If it don't appear that it's your fault from what you're explaining. Yeah, I mean, it's not my fault, but it is at the same time. Like I said, it's just weird. It's weird. January was really great for me. I had a $300 winner, $400 winner, a couple $100 winners. I did have a couple $100 losses, but I definitely profited. I think it was $600 from January. I lost $88 in February. I just could not find something that was really. I just didn't have the confidence. You guys see a lot of no trade days here because I just couldn't find anything. Whole week I went with no trading and lost. And one day things had good news, looked good pre-market, and it just wouldn't go well. But it's part of the the cycle of day trading, especially of momentum trading. Like I said, we were on a three-day streak of straight green days. Yeah, and this week right here, oh my goodness, my biggest loss on, of course, Valentine's Day. After three green days that week, and a day we didn't trade. 3 green days and a day we didn't trade, and of course, $180, my biggest loss this year. I'm usually taking about 500 shares per trade, maybe a little bit less, maybe a little bit more, depending on the price of the stock. First day of February, or first day of March. Sorry about that. First day of March, $110, boom, right off the bat. But I took 1,000 shares on that, so I only lost 11 cents per share. And that's not bad. I followed my rules there, and it's good. It's all right. It happens. And then ZSAN, I bought. It was a little higher price stock, but I bought lower amount of shares, obviously, and got a. This thing went running it really went running. I made 55 cents a share, but this thing went up a couple dollars, and I just sold a little too early. Let's see. Z-San, I traded it for a second time. I accidentally bought 500. Yeah, this could have been another mistake. I accidentally bought 500 shares. You guys remember me telling you guys how I have this pre-quality, like pre-share setup? See, I can click 500, 300, 2. And I thought I clicked 250 or 300, but I stayed on 500 and I bought 500 shares and I used my full like cash account. Used my full account and it really kind of, I didn't really screw. I mean, the stock looked good and where I got in was where I wanted to get in, but I didn't want to deal with those swings where I have 500 shares and this thing's going up 20 cents, down 20 cents. I'd be down $100 in a couple of seconds. I couldn't really manage my risk there, so I just got out with a quick scalp of $55. Obviously, if I had like 250 shares, I would definitely would have held it longer, and it would have been a nice, decent winner, probably like $150, $170. So that's how it's been in March. March is good, showing good strength and momentum, but it's just I'm primarily a futures and forex trader, but I like to listen and share the experience. Nice, man. Yeah, I never got into that stuff. It seems a little interesting because it has to do with like real world issues or good things, I guess, right? Like news, a lot of news runs off of it and what other countries do and whatnot. But like I said, yeah, my metrics are there. If I fix these little mistakes, I'll have like professional metrics. Like professionals want like 2-to-1 profit loss ratios and like a 70% accuracy. And my accuracy is probably sitting at like just under 60% accuracy. And then my profit loss is a 2.06 to 1. So like I said, I just got to get these little mistakes I don't know. I kind of want to switch brokers, but I just feel like what happened with other brokers too. Like that little lag that happened, I really got screwed on it. I'll show you. I'm going to show you guys the messages. I'll show you guys. I tried to cancel it like multiple times and it wouldn't cancel right away for some reason. I don't know why. Messages. This is simulated. Don't want simulated. Okay, look at. I sent to buy at 300 at 635. Cancel sending. Cancel sent. It wouldn't send. I mean, it says it's sent here, but like it didn't. It like I don't know. It followed through way too long. It was really weird. I don't know. For like 5 seconds, it just wouldn't cancel my order, and then on the way back down, the stock picks it up, picks my limit order up, and then look, it just falls. And people are saying if you had less share size, you'd be able to hold through this little pullback right here, I guess. But I had a strategy going in and I had a strategy coming out. I wanted to get in right here about 635 and test about 650. So that's what 15 cents right there, just right there. That's an initial scalp, and then I wanted the pre-market highs and whatnot. So my exit would be damn near around here. Okay, and then first of all, I just didn't want to get in that high, and I don't know, it was a mess. It was a mess, to say the least. So yeah, thank you. I wish I was actually trading live because I was trading like weeks on and weeks off last year, but I wish I was trading live when like that blockchain news was coming out and these stocks were going from like $2 to $6. And it's just real easy, stress-free trades, and you can use this button a lot. I used it a couple times this month. Just like I said, these past couple of days is real annoying. I have like little Post-it notes on my desk right here to just remind me, keep calm. This is a marathon, like I said. I'm not. It's not that I'm worried about losing $100. Just the way I lose it, and I'm picking the right stocks. You guys can see, like, look, this thing turned out to be a great trade right here. It's just the timing on it, how it's happening. It's just a little annoying. So I appreciate you guys all tuning in, though. Yeah, you need those. I read them every morning before, just to remind myself. Like, right here, cut your losses, greeds crossed out, be decisive, take profits. Not every winner will be big. That's a little bit of my problem. I just feel like I always want like a $200 winner or plus, Base hits, not home runs in a choppy market. In February, it took me a while to adjust to that. I was still looking for 25 cent gains. Then it just wasn't there because even a stock with good news, gapped up pre-market, just wouldn't do much. And you gotta look for 10, 15 cent winners. But yeah, that's about it for today. Like I said, my trade matches are good, but they could definitely be a lot better. Just these little mess ups, you know. I'll give you guys another update about next month. You know, give it a month or so to see how many trades I can get and the accuracy I'm doing, and so forth. Like I said, I can feel myself getting past that learning curve. It's just first of all, I wanna start trading with hotkeys as well, so I can get in and get out, so I don't have to worry about this lagging. You know, I don't know. It was just a difficult day all around. It's even more annoying when you see a stock then start bursting. You know, like why when I bought, maybe just give me a break. You know, start pushing through. Why couldn't you just push through these pre-market highs, 695, and we all be happy? But it happens. It is what it is sometimes. Appreciate you guys tuning in. This video will be live, or not live, but will be on YouTube if you guys want to rewatch it. You know, break down, give me some good feedback or bad feedback. I want any feedback altogether. I want to become a better YouTuber and trader. So, and I just want to give you guys a different perspective because there's a lot of professional traders that go over their trades and stuff, but a lot of people, yeah, I always let stocks play out. We give it 15 minutes. Yeah, man, that is a good idea because I was just trying to play like a whatchamacallit, opening breakout or something like that. I don't know, but like I said, it looked good. It is what it is. Anyway, what was I talking about? Sorry, I was reading a comment. I forgot what I was saying. I don't know. But we're having a giveaway at 200 subscribers. So, yeah, subscribe. Tell a friend to subscribe. Tell your cousin, your little cousin, your big cousin, your mom, your aunt, grandma, your little brother, big brother. And I just want to give you guys a point of view of an intermediate trader, because it's a lot different than what professional traders give you. You know, it's obvious easy when they're given, taking easy big positions and they're making thousands of dollars. And people like to click on that because, oh, they made $5,000. But literally, no, they're taking 10, 15,000 share positions on these stocks, So I just like to give you guys a different perspective on how what I'm trading. I'm not giving you guys any suggestions. I go live pre-market analysis every morning as well. And this was on our pre-market watch list, so just didn't work out today. It is what it is. So that's it for me today. This video's getting kind of long, so I just want to keep it short, simple, and sweet. Like I said, down $90 today after commissions. It is what it is. Hopefully we come back tomorrow with some good strength like we saw today in this stock, and a couple others were doing decent, I'm pretty sure. And actually can't take advantage of it this time. I may or may not be on a new broker tomorrow, so we'll see. I don't know. I'm gonna think about it for a while. Anyways, yeah, take care, day trader. Thank you for tuning in, man. We'll see you guys tomorrow. Peace out.